cell and tissues. The cell component nucleus. Nicknames of nucleus. The nucleus, also known as control center or brain of the cell. Why the reason the nucleus is called control center or brain of the cell? Because the nucleus houses the cell's DNA, which directs all cellular activities. The next cell component is mitochondria. The nickname of mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell because they are responsible for cellular respiration, producing energy for the cell. The next cell component is ribosomes. The nickname of ribosome is protein factories because they are the sites of protein synthesis. The next cell component is lysosomes. The nickname of lysosome is suicide bags or digestive system because they contain enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular. The next cell component is Golgi apparatus. The nicknames of Golgi apparatus are shipping and receiving center or post office because it modifies, sorts and packages proteins for transport within or outside the cell. The next component is vacuoles. The nickname of vacuoles is storage tanks because they store water, nutrients and waste products. The next component is cell membrane. The nickname of cell membrane is Gatekeeper because it controls the passage of substances in and out of the cell. Thanks for watching. The next video is coming soon.